Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. So I used to have a plastic shower curtain liner and it got mildew on it and I knew it was time for a new one. So I'm really happy to have found this one from ALYVIA Springs. So this curtain is 80 inches long, so it's perfect for those with higher showers, and it's made with premium fabric. It is 100% waterproof. So it repels water, it wicks away, and it dries quickly. So this feature is great for those without windows in their bathroom like me, so there's no more mildew. And it's also machine washer friendly to keep your curtain liner clean. Now this liner is lightweight yet durable, so it can be used as a liner or as a standalone shower curtain. There's also a magnetic weighted hem to keep your liner in place and protect your privacy. So I'm so ecstatic that I found this liner that has so many different features, and I hope you will too, and that's my point of view.